In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way in which you can make money online just by copying and pasting videos. Yes, you hear it right. There are videos related. You don't need to create them. You don't need to edit them. You don't need to record them. If you can copy and paste, well, this video is for you. And chances are that you might be wondering, like, Diana, how much money can we earn? Well, you can earn $100, $200. It's actually up to you. You just need to take action. Well, watch the entire video and take action. Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo. Welcome to the channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. And yeah, you hear it right. If you are committed to watch this video and take action, not by skipping it and assuming that you already know what I'm going to explain, but by watching it first time and then watching what we're doing, well, you are going to be ready to make money. By the way, watch the entire video, because at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you a bonus, but that's going to be at the end of the video. So now you might be wondering, like, okay, Diana, I want to earn money online. I want to make money online. I want to make $100, $200. I'm ready. Okay, you told me that I need a video. Okay, where can I find these videos? Well, the best place is actually YouTube. So you're gonna go to youtube.com and you're gonna find a video related to a topic that you like. My suggestion is go with videos that are educational and they are entertaining. Okay, because this is where the money is. In my case, I'm gonna go with dog training. I already have 2 dogs, so this is a topic that I really like. So we don't want to mess up with copyright issues. So we want to make sure that, hey, we're not gonna have any problems. So we're gonna click here where it says filters. Okay, and we're gonna wait a second or two. It's taking a little bit longer. Sorry about that. We're gonna go to features, then we're gonna click here where it says creating comments. Why we're gonna go with Creative Commons? Again, because we don't want to have any kind of trouble, we don't want to have any kind of copyright issues, and we have some really good videos that we can use here. For example, I have this one, basic dog training, top 10 essential commands every dog should know. So I'm gonna click on it so I can have the video. Okay, this is the actual video. Okay, what you're going to be doing right now is you're going to be copying the URL here. If you don't know what the link is, you can also go to share, and this is the link that we're going to copy. So we're going to copy it. Okay, and we need to download this video. Okay, we need to download this video. By the way, with the Creative Commons rights that we have, we are allowed to do this. Okay, this is the reason why we check on features, Creative Commons, because we want to repurpose the videos. Okay, so now we need to download the video. The tool that I like to use, it's called yt1s.com. You can Google it, yts1 or yt1s.com. You're gonna click on the very first link, and here you have the opportunity to download videos from YouTube. So I'm gonna paste the link that I just copied, and we're gonna click here where it says convert. So now it's asking me, like, what's the quality that I want to have the video. So I want to keep this one, or you can go with 1080. Okay, but in my case, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna click here where it says get link. So now this system, it's actually allowing me to download the video. So I'm gonna click here where it says download, and I'm gonna be downloading this video. Excellent. Okay, so it's actually here. So I'm gonna be downloading the video. So now I have the video. Now I have what we're gonna be doing, right? is we are gonna go to a website that it's called Rumble. Window, it's called rumble.com. Why I'm gonna be showing this on incognito, it's because I already have an account. Okay, I want to show you how you guys need to create the account, the right steps. So here on rumble.com, you can see that there are people here earning money just because they have this video. Here we have $7.20, $4.94, $27. Nice. Okay, this is the very first stream of income with rumble.com. Okay, now you need to click here where it says sign in, and you're gonna click here where it says create a Rumble account now. So it's gonna ask you, okay, do you want to have a free account? Okay, do you want to be a publisher, or are you going to be a business? We are going to be creating a free account so we can subscribe to channels, we can upload content, and we can monetize it. Okay, so you're going to put your name, you're going to choose a username, password, email, your country if someone refers you, your date of birth, and you're going to click here where it says register. Okay, why is this so important? Because you are gonna get a link asking you to confirm your information, and this is my account. Okay, now when we have everything ready, what we're gonna be doing right now is clicking here so we can upload the video. Okay, let me verify this account real quick. I think I did it, but apparently I don't. Okay, so I verified my account. I thought I already did, but apparently no. So I click here where it says upload, and you're gonna be landing on this page. So it's gonna be asking you select a video to upload. We just downloaded video, so I'm gonna be drag and dropping it. Okay, so it's asking me for a video title. What you can do is, hey, you can go to YouTube and use the same video title. Okay, use the same video title. Okay, it's already associated with another media. Okay, don't worry. Let's add another emoji, and that's it. Now it's a brand new title. Okay, so it's asking me for a description. Okay, while the system is processing everything, I want to check on the description. Here it says basic dot training reveal a list of top 10 essential commands that every node should know. Okay, training isn't useful just for the dog but for yourself. Okay, for you. Let me click here, and I'm gonna copy and paste this description. Okay, now what I need to do, I know that I'm gonna be earning money with Rumble, but I told you that there are other ways in which you can actually make money, so keep watching this. Okay, so the system is letting me know that I can choose a thumbnail. Okay, you can create your own or you can choose one. I can choose this one, and it's asking me for tags. Okay, maybe you don't know anything about tags with our keywords. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to and grab a tag generator. Okay, I like rapidtags.io, which is actually really easy, really simple, and I can put doc. Okay, so it's letting me know that I can have all these tags. Let me click here where it says agree, so you can see that I can copy them all. I'm gonna go here again with Rumble, and I can paste my tags. Okay, most people will tell you like, hey, cool, go ahead and just click upload and you're gonna have your video. But remember that I'm gonna show you another way in which you can actually earn money with Rumble. So we are gonna be using a platform that is called Clickbank. Okay, this platform is called Clickbank. Just in case you don't know, Clickbank is a marketplace. They are the leading global affiliate marketplace in which you can actually choose other people's products to promote. Okay, if you are not able for some reason to use Clickbank, on your country, just Google Clickbank alternative and keep applying this strategy. Okay, when you sign up, your account is gonna look something like this. Okay, you have to go here where it says marketplace, and here you have several categories. Okay, I'm gonna find a product. Okay, in this case it's gonna be related to dogs, right? But I want to make sure that, hey, it's gonna be a good product, and also that, hey, we're gonna be making money, right? So we're gonna click here where it says sort results by, and we're gonna click here where it says gravity. Okay, gravity means that this course or this product that I'm going to be promoting, that there are several people who are promoting it and are actually making money with it. For example, I have this one, brain training for dogs, unique dog training course, which is actually cool, right? So if I click here to check on the sales page, right, it's look actually adorable. Okay, I like it, showing facts, showing a lot of images, a video. Nice. So people who are appealing to this type of content, which are actually people who are appealing with the content that I'm sharing, because I'm sharing them an easy way in which they can actually, you know, learn how to share, teach some tricks to their dog, are appealing to this. So this is a product that I can promote. So I can go here and click where it says promote, and it's going to show me my hot links, which is actually really weird. So I really don't like the way it is. So I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna go to another website that it's called Bitly. Okay, Bitly, like this, Bitly. So bitly.com, and you can place it here, and you can click here where it says Joiner. So it's look way better. We're gonna copy this, and we're gonna be doing what other peoples are not doing. I can put like something like keep teaching more tricks to your dog or something like that. Or I can put another emoji, right? I can put here column. And now I can upload this video. So when people check on the content, right, since they are interested on training their dogs, yeah, they will be interested in all my products. So I can go ahead and upload it. So it's now uploading it, and I'm ready to make money, not only with rumble.com, but also with Clickbank. Okay, and it's 100% passive. I just need to keep doing this, keep uploading videos, making sure that they are Creative Commons, okay? So you don't have any kind of problem, and you can have, you know, a lot of content out there. Remember that at the beginning of the video, guys, I told you a bonus. Well, if you guys want to earn even more money online, if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I mean making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, you don't have to be, you know, re-uploading videos every single day. And maybe you want to fire your boss, maybe you are tired of the routine, you want to have more time with your family, maybe you want, you know, just to relax, live the life in your terms. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna be helping me, it's gonna be helping my video, it's gonna be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.